We start with daily chart. Just I want to give a quick update. If you refer to our analysis, since the price was then here, we have been looking for buy as a short term, and we mentioned the breakout of 1.6 is really important for us. As we can see the price tag and drop. Now want to see whether we can put this one as an internal flat for the next drop in relative to this, any reversal from there. This is the best I'm looking for. It doesn't mean maybe this is the start of the down move. Maybe we can expect this one turn to deeper for next drop, but we should know about this possibility. As I say, as a three-wave internally, if the price retest 1.0, any reversal, this is the best we're looking for. This is what I'm really interested to look for if I get this opportunity. But it doesn't mean we cannot look for buy from here. Anyway, we're looking, if we get any opportunity for buy, we'll take it with the breakout of 1.6. We can look for 2.5 following by 3.0. And if we move to forward chart, from what we can see here, following by this sharp move, still we can expect the price to drop. All right. That's why, but what we are more interested to look for buy as a reversal. We are not interested to look for sell. If the price reverse from here, we will take the trade. Any trade within this one, we consider as a short-term trade for buy. All right. Because I explained based on a daily chart that what we are more interested, which option we are more interested. The only things, I mean, as I say, if you get any opportunity for buy within this one, you consider as a short term. But if the price could break for 1.6, then from there we can look for continuation as a long term. That's why if we get any opportunity, any trade for buy, we consider as a short term. But what I can see here, it doesn't give me any opportunity for buy. That means still we can expect the price to drop, because whenever we see this kind of the correction, we can expect for the next drop, since what we get here is really short. All right. What I one thing I need to highlight here, can we look for buy? Because we mentioned if we get any opportunity for buy, we consider as a short term. The best thing is if we get the short move flag, we take the trade. All right. How about if we move to 15-minute? Can we consider this one as a correction in relative to this? If anyone wants to look for buy from here, the only option is to put their entry above the top. And what we want the price sharply tag breaking continue. If the price tag we see is not moving, we shouldn't keep the trade more than 2 hours. Whether we should take this trade or not, all right? The only thing is what I want to highlight here, having entry above this, we consider as an option with the stop loss below this correction, in case the price sharply tag break and continue. Because the risk is very low, or we can put somewhere around 1.25. Since the risk is very low, if this is the start of the up move, it can give us really good in terms of the risk trade, in terms of the risk and reward. It's not a really good trade setup, and is something that is which is very risky. But if anyone can take the risk by having entry above the top, stop loss somewhere below 1.25, they can look for this trade, and the target should be 1.4. We want to see whether the price can break 1.4 previous stop or not, because if this is the one is going to reverse, in terms of the risk and reward, it can give us a really good trade setup. It's a really good trade. But as I say, it's not what we have here. We don't have really good trade setup. Any trade from here, we consider as a really risky trade. That's why we put our entry above the top. And what we want is the price sharply tag break and continue the price tag. And we see within the first or maximum second hours, it's not moving in our direction, we shouldn't keep the trade. Okay, and we don't want, if the price reverses based on 15 minutes, it reverses as a corrective, we shouldn't keep our entry above the top. We want the price sharply tag break and continue. Something similar to what we get here if anyone put their entry above the top. Okay, again, it's not really good trade. It's really risky, because if the price reverses as a corrective, mostly the next drop can be really sharp. Then it depends on the traders. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup to look for buy. Expect what I explained here, and if the price reward drop, we just let it go. That's why if anyone wants to look for buy, they should put their entry above the top. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.